Hi everybody, welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Today, we'll talk about a minimalist modern terrace design. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. A minimalist modern terrace design is a great way to create a stylish and functional outdoor space. By using simple and clean lines, neutral colors, and a limited number of decor elements, you can create a terrace that is both beautiful and easy to maintain. One of the key elements of a minimalist modern terrace design is the use of clean lines. This can be achieved by using simple and sleek furniture, such as a minimalist dining table and chairs, or a modern outdoor sofa. Using furniture with clean lines helps to create a sense of order and simplicity in the space. Another important aspect of a minimalist modern terrace design is the use of neutral colors. This can be achieved by using a color palette of white, gray, black, and natural wood tones. This type of color palette creates a calming and soothing environment and helps to create a sense of cohesion in the space. A minimalist modern terrace design also emphasizes on using a limited number of decor elements. This can be achieved by using a few well-chosen accessories, such as a modern outdoor rug or a sleek planter. Using a limited number of decor elements helps to keep the space looking clean and uncluttered. For those who want to add a touch of nature to their minimalist modern terrace design, consider adding a few potted plants or a small herb garden. This not only adds a touch of green to the space, but it also improves air quality and provides a natural environment. Finally, consider adding lighting to your minimalist modern terrace design. This can be done by adding string lights, lanterns, or even built-in lighting. This not only adds beauty to the space but also allows you to use the terrace at night. In conclusion, a minimalist modern terrace design is a great way to create a stylish and functional outdoor space. By using simple and clean lines, neutral colors, and a limited number of decor elements, you can create a terrace that is both beautiful and easy to maintain. Add a touch of nature, lighting, and well-chosen accessories to make it more inspiring and relaxing. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a minimalist modern terrace design for your home. Thank you.